Hello and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a little testing. I've been thinking about shielding the cavities of my Stratocaster, and I found a cheaper version of aluminum tape here. So we're going to just do a little test, make sure that I can get continuity out of the tape and that it's worthwhile doing. If not, then I have a roll of aluminum tape. So here we go. Gonna get the foil tape. Really shouldn't bite my nails. Okay. So let's peel off a bit here. Aha! So it has a plastic feeler gauge. Yeah, sure, whatever. All right, I'm going to cut that off. Set it aside. See, the issue is that you want to, I take it it's a liner tape. Well, it must be. All right, either way, what we're just trying to do is get two pieces and see if we can create continuity, or if the adhesive that's on it is I guess I probably should have read the instructions first, eh? Probably going to pause this just because. Okay, there we go. So, aluminum tape. Let's pretend like this is the bottom of my guitar. Gonna put it on there. And first off, make sure our continuity tester is working. All of about 12 bucks, Princess Auto. Yep. And then okay. So we know that we have continuity going to it. Cap this off. Tester back to 0. Let's get the second layer. And remove the liner. There must be a better way than this. Yeah, don't bite your fingernails, kids. Makes things like this like next to impossible. Alright, let's try a sharp edge. Safety glasses, boys and girls. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Just gonna have to keep messing with it till we get it. There, we got it. Okay. So now, is the tape itself is the adhesive conductive? You can get copper tape at about $300 a roll. This was like about 12. So, turn it on. That would have sucked. Okay. Okay, now for the big one. Yes. You know what that means. Video coming up. We're going to shield the inside of that guitar. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right. Thank you very much for watching. Who knows? Maybe this won't be a video, and we will just plain old shield the guitar. I probably have enough time to do that today. And so we will begin. So that buzzing noise that you just heard was this guitar with the volume way up and nothing touching the strings at all. I'm hoping that once we remove the strings, the pick guard, we will be able to... Yeah, that's gonna suck. Because that would be... Yeah, we're not doing this today. Because that would be really hard to do with the strings on it. And it would be even tougher to do and keep the strings because they're brand new strings. Well, pooh. It would be best to do when we're restringing the guitar so that all the strings are out of the way. Well, that was nice while it lasted.